going to tell you why companies seeking to raise venture capital often form Delaware C Corps. First, you need a legal entity that provides limited liability protection. Corporations and LLCs both do this, but for reasons we'll talk about in a minute, corporations are better. Next, corporations can issue different classes of stock. Now, LLCs can also do this, but it's much easier to do in a corporation, especially as your funding stack gets larger and larger with multiple investors holding different classes and series of stock. Also, in a corporation, it's much easier to issue stock options and other equity incentive awards compared to LLCs. Corporations are purpose-built to have multiple shareholders. Next, most of the standard formation and venture financing documents are written assuming a Delaware corporation. You could pay a lawyer hundreds of dollars an hour to translate the documents of a company formed in another state into Delaware, but often it's not worth the cost and it's easier to just start with a Delaware corporation from the beginning. And the real reason why many startups seeking VC funding form Delaware corporations is because a lot of VC firms and accelerators will require it as a condition to funding. The reality is it's not worth pushing back on this request just so you can keep your Florida LLC. Just ask Mark Zuckerberg. Now, a C corporation does have some problems, namely 2 layers of tax. LLCs do mitigate this problem, so make sure to follow to learn more. And also, make sure to sign up for my upcoming newsletter where we have guides, detailed explanations, sample documents, and a whole lot more.